A chital deer, also called the spotted deer, is a beautiful animal found in the forests of India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. These deer have white spots all over their fawn-colored bodies, which help them blend into the forest. Their reddish-brown fur and unique spot patterns make each chital look different from the others. Chital deer live in herds that can have up to 50 members. A herd usually has just a couple of male deer, called its stage, and many females and their babies. The stage grow large. The stage grow large, curved antlers that can reach up to 75 centimeters long. These antlers help the males show their strength and protect their group. You can see chital deer in the wild in Bangladesh, where they eat grass, leaves, and fruits. If you are lucky enough to visit a forest, you might spot them quietly walking through the trees or grazing. They are shy creatures, but very beautiful to watch.